Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Yes, I only filled in one of my brows and that's what I like to do when I try out brow gels. And today I have the Wet n Wild Browsessive Brow Shaping Gel. And I just got this at Walmart. I picked it up in the shade Clear and it only cost like $3. I already tried out the Browsessive pencil and I wasn't crazy about it, and the shade match wasn't great for me. So that review video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But I'm glad I ended up choosing the clear shade. This only comes in clear, blonde, and brown, but considering how the shade match was not good for me on the pencil, I'm glad I just have the clear brow gel, and I love a clear brow gel. I use one every day. This is cruelty free and vegan. It's a light gel wax formula. That sounds cool. That brushes on natural looking fullness and definition, soft flexible hold that won't flake or stiffen. That sounds great. Ooh, and a tiny brush provides foolproof, mess-proof application. Seriously, all three of those kind of bullet points is what I look for in my brow gels. And so my daily brow routine is to fill in my brow with a pencil and then I top it off with a clear brow gel. So I want to see how this is alone to get a good view of it, but also how it would be on top of a pencil, which would be how I would normally use this. And today I actually filled in my brow with the Uma Baby Hair brow pencil, if you were wondering. But okay, let's check out this tiny wand applicator, which I love when brow products have small wands. I feel like that's what you need for a brow product. But wow, yeah, it looks white in color, but it's nice and small. I think I'm actually going to start out by applying it to the brow without the pencil. So let's just go ahead and brush through. Yeah, it actually does go on this white color, but as I'm brushing it through, it's changing to clear, but that's kind of nice. Then you can really see where you've applied it. But I feel like I'm able to easily brush it through with all the brow hairs going the way I want them to. And it doesn't look visible product-wise in the brow, which is what I want. It does seem to be like helping to define the brow hairs as well, which will help them look more full and natural. Yeah, looks great. We'll have to see once it dries down if it really is flexible, not gonna flake, all of that. But I like the look of it, or kind of like the lack of look of it in my brow. It just looks invisible, natural, but hopefully it has that good hold to keep my long brow hairs in place. But now let's see how it is on top of the pencil. And I don't want it to be removing the pencil or smudging it. But yeah, you can see like it does go on with that white color. But if I brush it through, it'll change to clear. And yeah, I like how it does define the brow hairs. So it makes them look a little bit like wet, a little bit like gel, which I guess is what this is, to make them just kind of stick out a little bit more, just make the brow look a little bit more full. And I don't feel like that altered the pencil underneath, so that's good. And it does keep the brows fluffy. You know, it doesn't like slick them down, and the fluffy effect is what I want. So that's nice. I feel like it has dried down on this one now. Wait, that has no hold. I applied a lot and my brows are just easily moving out of place. I'm confused. Well, I need my brow gels to hold my brows in place, and that is not happening at all with this. Wow, okay. I mean, it defines the brow hairs a bit, but what I really want from my brow gel is the hold. And there is none of that. I mean, it's not crunchy, it's not flaky, but it's almost like I did nothing in my brow. Like, it actually almost makes it like if the brow gets messed up, it almost makes it stay more messed up. Like, it's kind of hard to brush it back into place now. I am very surprised and very bummed about this. I thought this was going to be a quick, easy, simple, great brow gel that proves you don't have to spend a lot of money on a brow gel for it to be good, but this is not going to work for me because I want the hold from my brow gel. I mean, it looks fine in the brow, feels fine, but it's not going to be my daily brow gel if it's not going to keep my brows in place. So it's a real bummer about this new Wet n Wild Browsessive collection or little duo of products. I was so excited. I love the brand Wet n Wild, but I am picky with my brow products, and unfortunately I'm going to have to pass on both of these, which I wish these were great because the price points are great and I love finding great inexpensive makeup, but I feel like my Benefit Clear Brow Gel that I'm currently using is just so much better and so much more like worth the money than this one here. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.